3 dogs. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Right, there is a lot of dogs here. Right, also, we moved the bikes because in the last one they chased us out and now we parked here just so we can just get out and go. But anyway, today we are going to a elephant sanctuary and it's got like sky bars so you can walk across the top and take pictures from the top looking down.
I can see a change in my notepad. Sometimes I feel like leaving to go back. There's no point where I come from. Stay in my room, write love songs and hope that I can see a change in my notepad. Sometimes
We made it to the elephant park. We got given a bag of food, of grass, to feed the elephants. Oh. Oh. There's a big boy one over there. There's people walking through. Absolute madness. Alright, so the whole thing is split up into 2 enclosures. Over here is the main one where there is 13 females in this whole bit, and then over here in the private ones in their own is all the males. Oh, that looks mental.
I just grabbed it with that. I didn't know they could do that.
Loving the bananas. We finished up with the Elephant Kingdom. It was sick. We're chilling. Just had a coconut. Jack just had a chang beer. And we're maybe going to go to another waterfall on the way back, but we're just not sure if it's the same waterfall that was in the last vlog. So if I don't go to a waterfall, who knows where I'm going after this. Oh my days! I imagine there's going to be a fatty trek and it's going to be sweaty and full of mosquitoes. We're at some sort of checkpoint. There's still more pathway up there. So we're going to sit here for a minute. It's hot. Right, rest of the journey up the hill.
They going through right now is like until I've been looking for. Until I've been looking for.
Little checkpoint again, out of the jungle. You can see how high it is. I think we're approaching it. Right, that was the nice cinematic sequence of the waterfall, and I guess I can't come up to here without going in. Please don't be cold! Oh! Ah! It's so cold! Right, thank you for watching!